English medium. Subject mathematics. Lesson number 1. Let's find the shapes. A picnic on Sunday in warm fresh air. All shaped wedges we could find there. When he dug the soil, Mota had found cone-like carrots under the ground. Yash brought tomatoes, red and round. Some long brinjals also he found. Rama got the cucumbers, green and fresh. Some straight cylinders, some bent at the west. Tamarind from a tree and a little bit of garlic was all that Gumpu and Pussy could pick. Mama roasted rotis, Papa cooked veggies. Such a nice picnic. Could we come here again, please?